Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the Meta Quest 3S. If you have this virtual reality device and you find that wearing the original head strap is a bit too uncomfortable for you, you may be looking for answers on how you can wear this and have a much more comfortable experience while playing in VR. In today's video, I want to share with you this third-party head strap that you can attach to your Meta Quest 3, Meta Quest 3S for a much more comfortable experience when playing VR. This third-party head strap is really cool because it also comes with a power pack that will give you extended playtime on your VR headset. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of this third-party headset. I'll show you how to assemble it and attach it to your Meta Quest 3 or your 3S. I'll talk to you about some of the details and the specifications for this product, as well as if it's a good investment or not. So without further delay, let's get into it. I'm using this item on my Meta Quest 3S, and there are links in the description for the Meta Quest 3S as well as for the head strap. Opening this box, you'll notice that you have the top head strap, which is very soft and cushioned. You have the back part that rests on the back of your head, also well cushioned. You have instructions, and you also have finally the battery pack with the framework. It also is adjustable. It's super awesome. There's the power port to recharge. There is your power indicator that tells you how much power you have left. Put the back headrest cushion on the back headrest simply by pressing it and snapping it into place. This part felt a little tricky, but with a little persistence, it can be done no problem. Now let's look at the original head strap and see how we take that off. All you have to do is really pop off the left and right arms from the head strap and then undo the Velcro for the top, and it's done. Simple as that. Now let's install the new head strap. Start by pulling the cushioned face mask part out. It just pulls out. Find the loop to insert the Velcro strap for the top. Then reinsert by snapping in the cushioned face mask part, and you're done with that. Then you're going to snap on the left arm and the right arm. Now this took a little effort as well, but it's a little bit tricky, but just you'll be able to do it. And you'll find the power port on the left hand side. Just power it up and plug it in, and you'll see it powers right up, and it shows that it comes with 100% power. Then loop in the back part of the head strap and you're done. It is fully adjustable, and also the little button on the back will allow you to make adjustments front to back very easily, and I really like it. It's easy to put on, a whole lot easier than the flimsy strap that comes with the 3S, and I can just rest it like that if I want to take a little rest for my eyes. I simply like this product. I think it's a full thumbs up. See the links in the description if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other unboxings I have on my channel. In the meantime, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.